Welcome back to Your Finance Lab. You know, building wealth isn't just about that dream car or early retirement. It's about creating something that lasts, something that supports your family for generations to come. That's what we call generational wealth. We're talking about providing opportunities, security, and a brighter future for your loved ones. It's about building a legacy that makes a real impact. But let me tell you, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes careful planning, smart decisions, and consistent action. That's why in this video, I'm sharing 10 actionable steps to help you build that generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy. Whether you're just starting your journey or already on your way, these strategies will set you on the right path. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I've got a bonus tip that's going to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Let's dive in. Before you even think about investments or real estate, you need to define what legacy means to you. Is it passing down a successful business, funding your grandkids' education, or maybe securing financial freedom for your family for years to come? Clearly, defining your goals is like setting the destination on your financial GPS. It gives you direction and helps you make those crucial decisions along the way. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. We're not just talking about vague aspirations here, we're talking about specific, measurable goals. How much do you want to leave behind? By when? Who will benefit? The more specific you are, the more effective your strategy will be. Trust me, getting clear on your vision is the first step to turning that dream of generational wealth into a reality. Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in building generational wealth: compound interest. It's like a snowball effect with your money. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Think of it like this. Even if you can only invest a small amount right now, that money has decades to potentially multiply itself. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about playing the long game. Imagine two investors. One starts at 25, the other at 35. Even with the same investment strategy, the one who started earlier could end up with significantly more wealth, simply because of the magic of compounding. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to potentially grow and work its magic. Alright, let's talk about building a fortress around your wealth. You see, relying on a single source of income is like building a house on sand. One storm and it could all be gone. That's why creating multiple income streams is crucial for building generational wealth. Think of it like this. If one income stream dries up, you've got others to fall back on. This not only provides financial stability for you and your family, but also accelerates your wealth-building journey. It's like having multiple engines propelling your rocket ship to financial freedom. Now, when I say multiple income streams, I'm not just talking about getting a second job. I'm talking about diversifying your income sources through investments, side hustles, and passive income opportunities. Remember that rental property I talked about earlier? That's passive income. Or how about starting an online business? The possibilities are endless, and the more income streams you create, the stronger your financial foundation becomes. You know, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Financial education is not something they teach you in school. It's something you have to seek out yourself. And let me tell you, it's the most valuable investment you can ever make. You see, building generational wealth isn't just about passing down a pile of money, it's about passing down the knowledge and skills to manage, grow, and protect that wealth for generations to come. Think of it like this. You can give someone a fish, and they'll eat for a day, but teach them how to fish, and they'll eat for a lifetime. The same principle applies to wealth. Financial literacy empowers your family to make informed financial decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and build a secure future. It's the key to breaking the cycle of financial struggles and creating a legacy of financial freedom. Alright, let's face it. Life is unpredictable. Accidents happen, lawsuits occur, and natural disasters can strike at any time. And unfortunately, these unexpected events can wipe out years of hard-earned wealth in an instant. That's why having adequate insurance is crucial for protecting your assets and ensuring your legacy is secured, no matter what life throws your way. It's like building a fortress around your wealth, shielding it from potential threats. Now, when I talk about insurance, I'm not just talking about your basic car and home insurance. I'm talking about comprehensive coverage that includes liability insurance, umbrella insurance, disability insurance, and of course, life insurance. Each type of insurance plays a vital role in safeguarding your wealth and providing financial security for you and your loved ones in case the unexpected occurs. You've worked hard to build your wealth, right? You've spent years, maybe even decades, putting in the effort, making smart decisions, and sacrificing to ensure a stable financial future for yourself and your loved ones. You've invested wisely, diversified your income, and now it's time to make sure it goes exactly where you want it to. This isn't just about money, it's about your legacy, your values, and the future you envision for your family. That's where an estate plan comes in. It's more than just a set of documents, it's a comprehensive strategy to manage your assets and ensure your wishes are honored. Think of it like a roadmap for your assets after you're gone. It provides clear directions on how everything should be handled, so there's no confusion or misinterpretation. Without one, you're leaving things up to chance. And trust me, that's not a risk you want to take. The absence of a plan can lead to unnecessary stress and conflict among your loved ones. An estate plan outlines how your assets will be distributed, who will manage them, and how your wishes will be carried out. It provides a clear framework that can prevent misunderstandings and disputes, and how your wishes will be carried out. This ensures that your intentions are respected and followed to the letter. It can prevent family disputes, minimize estate taxes, and provide a sense of security for everyone involved. By planning ahead, you can significantly reduce the tax burden on your estate and ensure your legacy is protected. Your estate plan is a safeguard for your life's work, ensuring it benefits those you care about most. We're talking about the future of your wealth here, so don't underestimate the importance of a solid estate plan. It's a crucial step in securing your financial legacy. Without a plan, your family might have to deal with unnecessary legal battles, confusion, and potentially lose a significant chunk of your hard-earned money to taxes. The legal process can be lengthy and emotionally draining, and potentially lose a significant chunk of your hard-earned money to taxes. This can be avoided with proper planning and foresight. That's not what you want, right? You want to ensure that your family is taken care of and that your assets are used in the way you intended. An estate plan gives you control and peace of mind, knowing your legacy is secure. It allows you to make decisions now that will benefit your loved ones in the future. This isn't just for the super wealthy either. Estate planning is essential for everyone regardless of the size of your estate. Whether you have a modest estate or a sizable portfolio, an estate plan is crucial for everyone. It ensures that your assets are managed and distributed according to your wishes. An estate plan is crucial for everyone. It provides a clear path for your loved ones to follow, reducing stress and uncertainty during a difficult time. Remember, we're talking about protecting your family's future here, and that's priceless. Take the time to create an estate plan and give yourself and your loved ones the peace of mind you all deserve. We all know knowledge is power, right? But have you ever stopped to think about just how powerful it can be when it comes to building a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your family? When it comes to building generational wealth, knowledge is more than just power. It's the key that unlocks a world of opportunities. It's the foundation upon which dreams are built and futures are secured. By investing in education, whether it's for your children, grandchildren, or even yourself, you're not just passing down money, you're passing down the tools for lasting success. Education equips individuals with the skills and knowledge they need to navigate the complexities of the modern world. Think about it. A good education can lead to better job prospects, higher earning potential, and a greater understanding of how to manage and grow wealth. It opens doors to opportunities that might otherwise remain closed. With a solid educational foundation, individuals are better equipped to make informed financial decisions, plan for the future, and seize opportunities as they arise. They learn how to budget, invest, and save wisely. Education breaks down barriers, opens doors, and empowers future generations to achieve financial independence. It fosters a mindset of growth and innovation, encouraging individuals to think critically and creatively. That's the kind of legacy that truly makes a difference. It's not just about the money you leave behind, but the knowledge and skills that will continue to benefit your family for generations to come. Now, investing in education doesn't always mean paying for a 4-year university. There are many paths to knowledge and skill acquisition. It can be vocational training, online courses, mentorship programs, or even just encouraging a love of learning. Each of these avenues provides valuable skills and knowledge that can be applied in various aspects of life. Encouraging a love of learning from a young age can spark curiosity and a lifelong passion for knowledge. This can lead to continuous personal and professional growth. The goal is to equip your family with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in an ever-changing world. In today's fast-paced society, the ability to adapt and learn new skills is more important than ever. Remember, the more you invest in education, the more you're investing in the future earning potential of your family. It's an investment that pays dividends in the form of knowledge, skills, and opportunities. It's like planting a seed that will grow and bear fruit for generations to come. Just as a tree grows and provides shade and fruit, education nurtures the mind and soul, providing benefits that extend far beyond the individual. That's what building a lasting legacy is all about. It's about creating a foundation of knowledge and skills that will support and uplift your family for generations to come. Investing in education is investing in a brighter, more prosperous future for everyone. We all want our wealth to grow over time, right? It's a common goal that unites people from all walks of life. Whether you're saving for your children's education, planning for retirement, or simply aiming to improve your financial situation, the desire to see your money grow is universal. But here's the thing, not all assets are created equal. Some investments can significantly boost your wealth, while others might not offer the same potential. Understanding the difference is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Some assets, like cars or luxury items, tend to depreciate in value over time. These items might bring immediate satisfaction or status, but they often lose their value quickly, leaving you with less wealth than you started with. But there's a special category of assets that have the potential to appreciate, meaning they increase in value over the long term. These are the investments that can truly transform your financial future. These are the assets that build lasting generational wealth. They are the foundation upon which you can create a legacy that benefits not just you, but your children and grandchildren as well. We're talking about things like real estate, which can provide both a place to live and a source of rental income. Over time, property values tend to rise, making real estate a solid investment choice. Stocks, which represent ownership in companies, can also appreciate significantly. By investing in the stock market, you can benefit from the growth and success of businesses around the world. These assets have intrinsic value, meaning they are worth something in and of themselves. They are not just pieces of paper or digital entries, they represent real, tangible value. And over time, they tend to become more valuable due to factors like inflation, economic growth, and increasing demand. As the economy grows and prices rise, the value of these assets can increase, providing you with a hedge against inflation. By investing in appreciating assets, you're not just saving money, you're making your money work for you. These investments can generate income, grow in value, and provide financial security. You're building a solid foundation for your family's financial future. This foundation can support your goals and dreams, providing the resources you need to achieve them. Now, I'm not saying you should go out and buy the first piece of real estate or stock you come across. It's important to be strategic and thoughtful in your investments. Research is key. Look into the history and potential of the assets you're considering. Understand the market trends and the factors that could influence their value, or stock you come across. It's important to do your research, understand the risks involved, and invest wisely. Diversify your investments to spread risk and increase potential returns. It's important to do your research, understand the risks involved, and invest wisely. Seek advice from financial advisors and use reliable sources of information to guide your decisions. But by focusing on assets with the potential for appreciation, you're setting yourself and your family up for long-term financial success. These investments can provide the growth and stability needed to achieve your financial goals. You're setting yourself and your family up for long-term financial success. Remember, building generational wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Remember, building generational wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, strategic investments that will stand the test of time. Stay focused on your long-term goals and avoid the temptation to chase short-term gains. It's about making smart, strategic investments that will stand the test of time. By adding appreciating assets to your portfolio, you're creating a legacy that will continue to grow and benefit your family for generations to come. By adding appreciating assets to your portfolio, you're not just thinking about today, you're planning for the future. These investments can provide financial security and opportunities for your family for years to come. You're creating a legacy that will continue to grow and benefit your family for generations to come. So take the time to invest wisely, focus on appreciating assets, and build a financial future that you and your family can be proud of. Look, building generational wealth isn't just about stacking up a bunch of zeros in your bank account. It's about building a legacy that goes beyond money. It's about instilling values that will last for generations. We're talking about things like hard work, financial responsibility, and giving back to the community. These are the principles that will help your family thrive long after you're gone. Teaching your kids about money from a young age is crucial. You gotta start them early. Let them make mistakes, learn from them, and understand the value of a dollar. Remember, a legacy isn't built overnight. It's built brick by brick, value by value. So start building that foundation today. Alright, let's talk about giving back. Building generational wealth isn't just about you and your family, it's about using your success to make a difference in the world. Think about it. What good is having all this wealth if you don't use it to help others? Whether it's donating to a charity, supporting a local business, or volunteering your time, giving back is essential. Now, I'm not saying you need to become the next Bill Gates and give away your entire fortune. Start small. Find a cause you're passionate about and contribute what you can. Every little bit helps, and the impact you make will be felt for generations to come. Building generational wealth is one of the most impactful things you can do for your family and community. By following these 10 steps, you'll create a strong foundation that ensures your legacy lasts for years to come. Which step will you take first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from YourFinanceLab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.